KTM 300 build. Let's finish it up. Hey, what's up guys? Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today we are going to finish this build, and at the end of the video you are going to see a really good looking bike. But hey, don't even think about skipping till the end, alright? So, last video you saw that the bike is running, now it runs pretty good, starts first kick and follows gas really good. So that's all done, and now we just need to finish all the details. So today I'm gonna work on everything I can work here in my garage. I have all the plastic seat, P3 carbon protection, hand guards, and some other little details I can do here. And then we're gonna take this bike over to Jay Clark's garage in this video, and we're gonna finish everything there as we usually do on the channel. This is the build number 5, and all the builds I did so far, I always finish everything up at Jay's place because we are partners, we work together with him on these builds, and I think it makes sense to finish everything up in his place.
Some people got a good hand, never wondering if they can, but I've been fighting what I'm feeling, needing something to believe in. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up from the storm. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up, baby, let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Are you ashamed of how you're looking, or afraid of their opinions? Well, I've been locked up in this prison, my head down low as long as I'm living, yeah. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Lift me up, lift me up from the storm. Lift me from the storm. Lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up, baby, let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up from the storm. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up, baby, let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than me. Baby, let it shine. Get on up. Oh, raise your head and hold it high. And let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Get on up. Raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine.
Beautiful early morning, sun coming up. Let's load this puppy into the truck, and then after work we're gonna go to Jay's place, so I'll see you there. Alright guys, here we go! Dirt Bike TV Garage! Spencer, Jay and Davey's here. We have a good team and check this out. So these are the graphics we're gonna install. And then we have a chain here. Jay is doing these like every day. How many chains a day do you install? Like 5?
Not every day, no.
Oh.
Like 1 or 2 a week, maybe.
Okay, so we're gonna work on little details here, finish it up and stay tuned, it will look good.
Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. Called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? But can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been scared to look in my soul. I've been afraid I would follow the road. Yeah, afraid of the things I've been told.
Alright guys, so in the beginning of the video we wanted to finish everything and show you the final product, but the stickers, the graphics are still here because we got into little complications, and what Jay says, if dirt bike builds will be easy, everybody will do them.
Yeah, I always say if it was easy, everybody would do it.
Yeah.
So
it's not,
stuff goes wrong.
it's not easy, and actually my beard is 2 weeks longer since the beginning of the video. It took some time. We ran into a few things, and this is the biggest one. Our thread was stripped, and I didn't notice that. So once we wanted to bleed everything, Jay and Spencer, they were playing with it for a long time, but we couldn't. So I had to buy new, and
New used. We got a used one. Good deal.
okay, new used. But that is holding us back, so things are not done yet. But anyway, before we do finish this bike and give it to Dirt Bike Magazine for the review, we need to make sure that it runs good. So we took advantage of this brake being down. We are looking for a new one, and then meanwhile we were jetting the bike. So Jay, can you tell us what we did to this bike to jet it and correctly?
So the JD jetting, we actually ended up kind of in their second tier, which is around this 3 to 6,000?
It is 3 to 6,000.
So we're in this realm. I'm a tiny bit leaner on the main jet, but the rest of it is this jetting. So we tend to be a little bit leaner than what they say, because we're not at 3 to 6,000 right now. We're like at 1,000 to 1,200 range right now. And then where Rado is, it's around 3 to 4,000, right?
Yeah.
And so anyway, so right now it runs really good. And the first thing Rado noticed was that it's fast.
It's really fast. Okay, so I'm gonna take it for the spin right after we are done here. Need to warm her up a little bit. Yeah, it feels good. Alright, so this is the without any stickers, anything. We need to break it in, and it's already broken. Jay and Spencer, they did rode it a lot, and as you can see, we have old wheels on the bike. We are not breaking in with the new wheels, because once this is all done and bike is ready, bike is broke in, we're gonna wash everything, put new wheels back on, and then do the stickers and make sure that bike looks pristine. So let's take it for a ride and see how it feels. So this engine is completely stuck, other than Arcade head and just good jetting from JD Jetting. We didn't do anything to the engine. No mods to the cylinder, nothing like that. Whoa, my goodness. Yeah, baby. That's good. This is good. We have nice brakes, good clutch, everything is working like brand new bike. Alright, there was no clutch, I just hit the gas in third gear and front just went up. Wow. It is so good. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. This thing runs so good. Wow. Sounds super crisp. Listen to it. KTM 300 Slovakia. Alright my friends, so the bike runs amazing. You could hear it on the video, and this thing is crisp. It runs so good. It runs so good, man. I'm really happy how this thing runs. So at this point, check out our brake. We need to take it off completely apart, send it over to Moto Blaster, and they will match it with everything else we have Cerakoted on the bike. Then we're gonna wash this beauty, make it look brand new, do all the decals, change our wheels, finish the little details, and it will be ready for some good test. And also I'm getting brand new tank, because this one just looks terrible, so this is just for work now. But we're getting a brand new tank on this thing, and ready to do some good testing with Dirt Bike Magazine. So next time I'm gonna show this bike to you. Actually, probably next time you see this bike, it will be on Dirt Bike Magazine website, probably on Two Stroke Tuesday, I think. Alright my friends, well that's about it for today. The video went a little bit different than I was imagining in the beginning, but hey, dirt bikes, you know, and especially these builds, things happen that you don't have control of, so you just need to go with it and find a way. Alright my friends, well let me know below in the comments what you think, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.